Jacob, what you gonna do, Jacob?
I'm making a video.
What you gonna do now?
Use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
It's smoked out?
I don't know. He was fucking with something in there. Is that Jacob Bauer?
I did it right now.
I just watched Bully on you.
Oh, yeah?
You, EXO, everybody.
Yeah, we do a lot of videos. Can I get a sub video real quick? No playing, just going real quick.
Jacob, what you gonna do, Jacob?
I'm making a video.
What you gonna do now?
You gonna go with me?
What?
I'm trying to go in there too. I ain't got quite the following you got, but I got the 20K on TikTok.
One, two, three,
Hey,
four.
Chris.
24 NSB 412s.
I've been waiting forever to get that one out there. Forever. Like 2 years. I played it a little hard. I got some wings on the other side. Good job, man. I can play a little bit on the lows.
Dude, you did a good job with this.
It's leaking though on the other side.
It is?
I gotta fill all that up. I just hadn't had time.
Yeah.
Put a big round over right here.
Yeah.
I'm putting this wood all over everything, the floor. But you can sit down in the corner and don't vibrate. Now turn around the other way. Yeah.
Right here?
Yeah. Turn it to your back. Now you ain't gotta worry about this hurt like I did last time. It don't vibrate.
Yeah. Dude, my chest came.
I lost my. Smell me. That was loud. Set too hard. Don't do that. hurts. 65.
Everybody in the club know what's up.
Those mids are only halfway right now. I know they got really loud for some reason. I guess because of the sealed up.
What's the water? What's up? Yeah.
It's crazy because I'm looking over here, nothing's happening here, and I'm looking back there, and they're barely moving, and over there, it's just fucking chaos. I can already tell that based off that shit, I'm like, man, this is fuck. It's crazy, yeah, this is fuck. All the pressure's in the fucking corner. They're all like 35 or something. No, that's, yeah, that's,
Holy crap!
You guys, I already know better. I'm sitting here flexing with everything I got. I tensed before it lets you.
I played it too long, too hard. I gotta pull it down now.
Dude, you did a good job with this.
It's leaking though on the other side.
It is?
I gotta fill all that up. I just hadn't had time.
Yeah.
Put a big round over right here.
Yeah.
I'm putting this wood all over everything, the floor. But you can sit down on the corner and don't vibrate. Now turn around the other way. Yeah. Yeah, turn it to your back. Yeah, you ain't gotta worry about this hurting like I did last time. It don't vibrate.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.